Normally I would do custom designs on skateboards like this, like this, like this, or like this. By the way, these are all available at shopkekenco.com if you want a deck. $45 I'm pretty sure is all of them, so yeah, get these while I have them. Yeah, normally we would do custom decks. Well, today we're doing a custom record. As you can see, this is broken. My wife bought this as a gift for one of her friends for a birthday present, and it came broken. And I looked at it. Personally, I don't think it's the best quality. It looks good. As you can tell, it's Star Wars. So it looks good from a distance, looks normal, but when you get up close, it does not look that good at all. And it made me think, well, I know how to design stuff, and I'm free versus this was expensive and it broke. So why not make her a custom record for her friend's birthday present? I figured it'd be pretty easy. So hopefully I make it look better than this. Because again, this is not the best. More so it's just, mainly it's broken, so it's useless. You can't do anything with it. To give you an idea of the quality, I'm gonna get kind of close here. It's not good. There's a bunch of dots. It's not that detailed. Again, from the distance, it looks kind of detailed, but when you get up close, it just kind of makes you sad. And I'm not calling out anybody because I don't know the person that actually created this. I'm sure they worked hard to do it, but I'm going to do this in a rather different way, with a completely new record. This is the record that we're going to be using. The first step in this would be to clean it and then spray paint all of this black, which I have already done so on the other side. Still need to wipe it down because it has been a few days since I've done this, but make sure it's all nice, one even smooth coat. And then you're going to grab a stencil and lay it on top of this. It could be a sticker stencil, I don't think it really matters, but in this case we're using one that I got from my Cricut. I made it, and we're gonna put it on here and then do a custom Star Wars stencil on that. Step 2, we're gonna use the stencil right here, lay it on top, and then we're gonna spray paint red all around here and kind of mist it around this way. And then I've got one more layer that's right under here that will show after this is done. Now on to the third step where we paint it. So this is pretty much the look I'm going for. All I've got left to do is get some blue and mist it right here. And then once I'm done with that, I can peel off this last sticker and it should be good. After that, I might get some white and create like a star effect all around it. But right now, I think it looks really good. A lot better than the one that was sent to us that was broken. So I'm digging it. So my only two real complaints with this is I went a little bit too heavy here. It's too dark. I wanted it to be more of a mist effect, but hey, that's okay. It still looks good. And then the white on the outside looks good, but everything on the inside I don't care for. So what I'm gonna do is get my black paint pen and go through and darken all this back up, get rid of all the white, and get my red paint pen and then do the same thing. Anything where there's white, I will fill it in. And then come back through here and try to mist that blue back out, or at least lighten it up through here so it's not as harsh or as hard. I think even adding red on this outside is going to make it look a lot better. But this is for sure way better than the one that was sent to us. And this is insanely easy. Well, here is the finished look. I went ahead and got rid of all the white like I said, and then I made this a little less harsh. It's not perfect. I could have done a little bit better, and I did like the splatter fade that was going out, but I did go a little bit too crazy with it, and this kind of mellowed it down. So again, it wasn't perfect, but it is by far a lot better than this right here. I mean, if it wasn't broken, I think it'd be pretty cool, but the fact that it came broken was just disappointing. And then whenever you get closer in it and look at the detail of it, it wasn't the best quality. And even though this isn't the best quality, it still looks relatively really good. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope that it works as a good birthday gift. I'm stoked. I think doing stuff like this is really cool, and I may even do more stuff like this on skateboards. I don't really know, or grip tape even. Let me know down in the comments below what you think I should try next. I've done records, I've done skateboards, I've done grip tape over there. So let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll do it on the channel. By the way, if you are new to this channel and you didn't know, I do monthly giveaways, and this month we're giving away the Santa Cruz deck right here, and it ends in just 3 days. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, make sure you comment down below, and you leave a like on this video. And if you haven't done so, watch the video where I talk about this giveaway. Who knows, I may randomly select a winner from any one of my videos that was put up this month. So make sure you're watching all of them, make sure you're liking and commenting on all of them, because that is the way that you need to enter my giveaways. That being said, that brings us to the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this different content, or this different take on my usual content I do. It's really cool to mix it up a little bit and try something that I haven't really done before, especially on a record. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Later, guys. Oh, that was easy. Wow.